Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video, we are going to see how we can manage daily collection and microfinance business in Jainam Software. So friends, just have a look. So from the HR management, I will go to the employee list. So here, this is the employee entry form and I have created one employee, that is Samir, and his login ID and password. So if I go to the let's go to the master setup and branch hierarchy. So here I have created some branches, that is the Gujarat branch, and under that Rani and Surat group. So if I go to the group management, create group, here you can see both groups are assigned to the Samir and 3 customer is in Rani group. So after that, if I go to the HR management access control list, so here if I select Samir, so whatever access required to the Samir, I have given him on the access control list. So after that, let's go to the customer and all list. So here I have created few customers. So from the search bar, let's search F-1. So this is the customer Janvi Jadhav. And if I click to the passbook, here you can see 2 loans are given to this customer. One is 5,000 and one is 10,000. So if I click to the 5,000, that loan number 4. So here this loan is on the daily basis. So for example, let's check the installment tracker. So here you can see this is the daily installment creating of 53. That is the 50 is the principal and 3 is the interest part. So let's go to the employees login. So from the employees login, I need to sign in for Samir. Samir 123. So here you can see this is Samir's profile and that Samir is assigned to the Gujarat branch. So from the field collection, loan collection list. So here you can see Samir has done already 4,467 collection today. And that one is due amount, that is the 107. So by cash or bank we can select. So by cash I will just select from here this amount, just receive. So he has received all 1007 from here. So now I will go to the accounting and my cash transaction. So here also he can refresh and check. So already 1867 that has been issued by Samir to the Janvi admin and she has accepted as well. So after that, let's go to the main login. So this is the admin login, and now if I want to check the today's collection, that is the daily collection done by staff. So here you can see that Samir has done this collection 5,474. So if I click to the link, so here you can check that graph has been coming. So that graph is saying that from 1 p.m. to till 2, 3, 4 p.m. and after 4 to 6 p.m. the staff was continuously working on the collection. And whatever collection he has done, so you can check in details all the information. So 53 now he has received and 53 that is the due, but 1,707 is due because this loan is created as a backdated. The installment amount is 53, but the total due was 1,007. So the whole amount that staff has been done. Collection has been done by the staff. So this type we can manage the collection in Jainam software. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a nice day.